Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Engineers Academy. So guys, over here in this video we are going to learn the four types of thermodynamic process, that is nothing but adiabatic process, isothermal process, isobaric process and isochoric process. These are the nothing but the four types of this thermodynamic processes basically. So guys, please watch my video till the end. Myself Narendra and you are watching the playlist of thermodynamics. So guys, without wasting any time, let's begin with our today's topic, that is the four types of thermodynamic process over here. So guys, in our previous video we have seen the reversible type of process and irreversible type of process, and over here in this video we are going to talk about the four types of different thermodynamics process. These are nothing but the adiabatic process, isochoric process, isobaric process and isothermal process. So guys, whenever a thermodynamics process occur, like there will be change in the properties like pressure, temperature, volume, its heat content, enthalpy and the entropy. So there will be a change in any of the properties of the system. So guys, now over here in this video, these are the four types of this thermodynamic processes. These are, the first one is the isothermal process. So guys, you have to understand that whenever the iso is the term which is used, it means iso means the something which is constant. So over here the isothermal, so thermal is related to the temperature. So whenever the isothermal is coming, like you have to understand that the isothermal, it means the something which is constant, but thermal is temperature. But over here in the case of isothermal process, the temperature remains constant. So there is no change in temperature. When this particular type of thermodynamic process will occur, there will be no change in temperature. So that is nothing but your isothermal process. So moving ahead, next is nothing but the adiabatic process. In case of adiabatic process, so heat remains in a particular system, or else total heat content of the system remains constant over here. So that is nothing but the adiabatic process. So now over here in case of adiabatic compression and adiabatic expansion in an automobile system, in an automobile cylinder, so basically over here in that case, like no external heat is added to the system, no external heat is added in a compression stage and no external heat is added at the expansion stage. So that is nothing but the adiabatic compression and adiabatic expansion. You will learn this particular system adiabatic in briefly in Otto cycle in our next future videos. So moving ahead, next is the isobaric process. So whenever the iso words comes, it means something is constant, but over here this isobaric, bar, so bar is the unit of the pressure. So over here this particular isobaric process stands for the constant pressure. Over here the whenever this kind of process will occur, there will be pressure will always remains constant in isobaric process. So guys, this particular isobaric process is also used in the automobiles, is used in a diesel cycle. So there will be sometimes the pressure will remain constant over here. So that is nothing but the isobaric process. So and the last process is nothing but the isochoric process. Now this particular isochoric process is something which is related to the volume of the system, basically total volume contained in that particular system. So now whenever the isochoric process comes, you have to understand that this particular isochoric stands for the constant volume process. So over here there will be no change in the volume of the overall system. So when this type of isochoric process will occur in thermodynamics, there will be no change in volume of the system. So guys, over here in this video we have seen these four types of thermodynamic process. That is nothing but the isothermal, constant temperature, adiabatic, constant heat content, isobaric, that is the constant pressure, and isochoric, that is constant volume. So guys, over here in this video we have learned these four types of thermodynamics process, and in this particular four types of thermodynamic process we learn in detail in the different cycles, that is in the Otto cycle, Carnot cycle, diesel cycle, and in different cycles basically. So guys, I hope you understood these four simple types of thermodynamic process. And guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my educational channel, Engineers Academy. Guys.